Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing a refreshing, nutritious and power-packed milkshake recipe which can be prepared within 5 minutes. So without wasting time, let's check out the recipe. So first of all, I will soak some chia seeds in milk. For this, I am using the chocolate flavored milk. You can use any kind of milk like soya milk, almond milk or simply full fat milk. The choice is yours. So let's pour some milk into a container. Then goes into this some chia seeds. Simply mix it properly and it will take just 5 minutes to soak. Let's make the milkshake. For this I have taken 1 apple, some strawberries, 1 banana and half of a mango. You can choose fruits according to your choice. Let's add these fruits into a blending jar. Here I am using date syrup for sweetness as a healthier option. You can use honey as well. But please try to avoid using crystal sugar or else you can simply skip this step. Then some low-fat milk goes into this. To make it more healthy and tasty, here I am using some soy milk. Lastly, cover it and blend it properly. These chia seeds also soaked properly. So it's time to pour this milkshake into this jar. Give it a good mix and our milkshake is ready to serve. Try this recipe at your home and please let me know your experience in the comment section below. And please don't forget to hit the like button, share with your family and friends and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.